Heading Software Requirement Specification SRS. Side heading. Definition of SRS. First point, Software Requirement Specification SRS is a formal document that describes all functional and non-functional requirements of a software system. Second point, it acts as a contract between the client and the developer. Third point, it clearly defines what the system should do. Heading Need of SRS. First point, it provides a clear understanding of requirements between client and developer. Second point, it serves as a foundation for system design and development. Third point, it helps in planning cost, time, and resources. Fourth point, it reduces misunderstandings and conflicts. Fifth point, it guides testing and validation processes. Heading Purpose of SRS. First point, to define system requirements clearly and completely. Second point, to act as a reference document for developers and testers. Third point, to serve as a basis for system design and implementation. Fourth point, to ensure agreement between stakeholders. Heading Advantages of SRS. First point, improves communication between stakeholders. Second point, reduces development errors and rework. Third point, helps in better project planning and estimation. Fourth point, acts as a reference for future maintenance. Fifth point, ensures complete understanding of system requirements. Heading Characteristics of Good SRS. Side heading 1. Correct. First point, SRS should accurately represent user requirements. Second point, it should not include incorrect or misleading information. Side heading 2. Unambiguous. First point, each requirement should have only one clear meaning. Second point, it should avoid confusion or multiple interpretations. Side heading 3. Complete. First point, SRS should include all required functions and constraints. Second point, nothing important should be left out. Side heading 4. Ranked for importance. First point, requirements should be prioritized based on importance. Second point, helps in handling critical features first. Side heading 5. Modifiable. First point, SRS should be easy to update when requirements change. Second point, changes should not affect the overall structure. Side heading 6. Verifiable. First point, each requirement should be testable. Second point, it should be possible to check whether the system meets the requirement or not.